Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Maryland sales tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Maryland sales tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in interactive.marylandtaxes.gov and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Maryland tax account. Tap on Login option. On the next page, enter your login ID and password associated with your Maryland sales tax account and tap on Submit. This is how you can log into your Maryland sales tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.